everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. And today's tutorial is so interesting because most of you are not even aware that you can be able to find the exact weekday from a date in Excel. What do I mean? If you have a date that dates back maybe 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 months ago, you can be able to identify the exact weekday of that particular date. So right now I have this date of births of these individuals, and you want to know the exact weekday that each person was born. So to begin, what you need to do is to put your cursor in the cell that you want to find the weekday, and then type equal sign, then type text, which is a function, and then open the brackets, then select the cell that contains the date, and then put a comma, then type open quotation marks, and then type D 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then type closing quotation marks, and then once you're done, close the brackets and press enter. There you go. So you can see that Shem was born on 31st of August 2004 on a Tuesday. It's very easy and it's very interesting. So to find the weekday of the other persons, just put your cursor here and double click to autofill, and you can see the exact weekday that each person was born. So the other thing, you can calculate the day number in a month, and what you need to do is type the equal sign, then type text, then open the brackets, then select the cell that has the date, and then put a comma, and then open quotation marks. Then in this case we shall type D twice, so 1, 2, and then closing quotation marks, then close the brackets and press enter. So you can see the day number is 31st, as you can see here, 31st. And then to fill the other cells, just put your cursor here and double click to autofill, and you can see it's 31st of August, as you can see here, 22nd as shown here, 26th as shown here, and it's very interesting. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.